Let me walk you through this awesome option when it comes to doing an oil change and extracting the dirty oil, or really any other fluid extraction that you had to do. This will work equally as well for. I tend to use it more for quick oil changes, and I'll tell you a case where it really comes in handy. But what makes this one particularly great is that you can either use it with your compressor. So it's a pneumatic option where it will draw air through and create the vacuum and draw the air out. Or if you don't have a compressor, or you're somewhere where a compressor is not available, you can manually pump up the vacuum with this particular handle here. So it makes it really awesome. It also comes with a variety of different hoses. So you've got your main hose with this fitting that's going to hook into the side. Then you've got these different adapter tubes, depending on your vehicle or depending on what fluid you're extracting, where this is going to go down into maybe the filler pipe or what have you, whatever you're pulling the fluid out of. It's going to go down, and now you're going to extract all of that dirty oil or dirty fluid right into this container, which, by the way, this cap pulls off, and now you can empty that into some sort of other jug, or you could take it to a disposal place where you can empty it out safely. So this is great. It has feet that fold down to keep it much more stable. I will tell you, this is a lifesaver whenever it comes to what I use it for, which is I take it to my boat dock, and I happen to have a Yamaha with twin kind of like jet engines in them. So without having to pull it out of the